The Pixel 11 Pro isn't just another smartphone. It's quietly rewriting the rules of what a phone can do. From an almost invisible AI engine turbocharging photos and videos, to a radical shift in connectivity and battery efficiency, Google may have built a device that feels smarter than any Pixel before it. And the implications? They're huge. If you love uncovering the hidden tech tricks brands don't talk about, make sure to hit that like button, share this video with friends who live for gadgets, and subscribe. Today, we're diving deep into every secret upgrade, behind-the-scenes tweak, and leak about the Pixel 11 Pro that most people won't even notice until it's too late. Let's start with the heart of the Pixel 11 Pro, the Tensor G6 chipset, reportedly built on a cutting-edge 2nm process. Unlike most chips chasing raw speed, Google seems focused on efficiency, thermal control, and AI processing. This is invisible power at work. Your phone feels smoother, apps open faster, videos render quicker, and battery life stretches further. It's not a flashy upgrade, but it fundamentally changes how the device behaves day to day. The quietest but potentially biggest shift is the MediaTek M90 modem replacing Samsung's previous solution. Now, this isn't just a swap for the sake of numbers. It could bring faster 5G, dual SIM with dual active, satellite connectivity, and even more stable reception. You may not notice it first, but fewer drop calls, less overheating, and longer battery life are all side effects of this subtle upgrade. This is the kind of behind-the-scenes tweak that could quietly make Pixel the most reliable phone in its class. Then there's the camera and AI magic. Google is reportedly taking low-light video to another level, capable of usable footage in near total darkness, something most other smartphones struggle with. The AI-assisted 100x zoom isn't just a gimmick either. Leaks suggest it can maintain incredible detail at extreme zoom, using generative AI to fill in missing information. And perhaps the most intriguing piece, video editing directly inside Google Photos. Imagine removing objects, tweaking backgrounds, or reducing noise in a clip with a few taps. A professional creative workflow, right from your phone. Hardware refinements continue with the under-display IR sensor, returning for secure face unlock without any notch. Coupled with thinner bezels, slightly larger batteries, and improved thermal design, the Pixel 11 Pro is evolving in subtle but meaningful ways. The result? A phone that feels familiar, but smarter, faster, and more capable in ways you might not immediately notice, but will appreciate over weeks of use. Let's not forget software. The Pixel 11 Pro will ship with Android 17, and Google promises 7 years of updates, longer than almost any other Android phone. That means your investment lasts, and your device continues to get smarter, more secure, and more feature-rich long after launch. Even the codenames hint at Google's strategy. Cubs for the standard model, Grizzly for the Pro. It's a subtle nod to evolution rather than revolution, fine-tuning what works, not reinventing it. It's about building on strengths like AI, connectivity, battery efficiency, and camera performance, instead of chasing gimmicks. And while the launch is expected around August 2026, leaks are already giving us hints about potential surprises. Beyond the obvious spec bumps, there's a feeling that Google is quietly building a smartphone ecosystem that integrates AI into every corner of the device. Photos, YouTube, Gemini AI, and maybe even starts changing the way we interact with devices on a daily basis. Now, let's break down the real impact of these quiet upgrades. Tensor G6 plus MediaTek M90 equals a phone that's efficient, reliable, and intelligent. AI-powered cameras equals low-light mastery, clean edits, and zoom that feels like cheating. Long software support equals a phone that stays relevant for years. Combine all of these, and the Pixel 11 Pro might not just compete, it could redefine expectations for flagship smartphones. And yet, Google isn't going overboard. There are no radical design shifts. The phones will likely maintain refined Pixel 10 style aesthetics, with slightly slimmer bezels, improved displays, and minor battery increases. This is strategic, letting the hardware and software upgrades shine without distracting redesigns. So, the real question becomes, how will all these subtle improvements change the way we use our phones daily? Will on-device AI, seamless editing, and smarter connectivity become the new standard? Could the Pixel 11 Pro quietly surpass the competition without most people even realizing it? That's the kind of shift that doesn't make headlines immediately, but shapes the future. As we approach the launch window, more leaks will surface, and each one is likely to reveal additional ways the Pixel 11 Pro could surprise us. Meanwhile, every insight we've discussed points to one thing. Google is playing a long game, designing a phone that quietly becomes smarter over time, rather than relying on flashy gimmicks or temporary hype. So what do you think? Are these hidden upgrades enough to make the Pixel 11 Pro the phone to beat in 2026? Drop your thoughts in the comments, rewatch the video, and connect the dots. You'll start to see just how much Google is quietly changing the game.